The amount of misinformation out there pertaining to taxes is really getting out of control. With this internet thing out here, so much misinformation is being put out on the internet that I have to come here and I need to bust down these myths so that you guys will know exactly what is going on. You guys know that I have been in this industry for an extremely long time, 25 plus years. And all of this information is starting to just really turn me upside down. So after you watch this video, you're gonna know what's truth and what's fiction. And you're gonna know who to unfollow and who to follow. So let's just make sure we like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep up on this wealth building information. Filing taxes is voluntary. Who on earth said that? Filing taxes is not voluntary. It is the law. It is in the code. And believe me, if you don't file your income taxes, IRS will file them for you. It is called an SFR, a service filed return. So filing taxes, it is not voluntary. I just want to make sure you're aware of that. Your tax preparer is liable for your taxes on your tax return. They are not. Stop it. That is a tremendous myth. If there is a mistake on your tax return, if you owe additional taxes, if you owe penalties, I don't care how it happened, you, the taxpayer, whose name is at the top of the tax return, are liable for the tax on your tax return. Never get that twisted. Even if you hire a professional to help you with your taxes, you are liable for your tax return. Students do not need to file taxes because they live at home or they're away at school. That's real cute. Students may need to file taxes. It depends on whether or not the amount of income they made is over the standard deduction. That's what you have to look at. And even if the income is not over the standard deduction, what if they withheld federal income tax? What if they withheld state income tax? You might want to get that money back. So students may need to file taxes. You can choose your filing status. Well, you can choose your filing status within the law, whether you're going to file single, if you're single. If you're married, you're going to file married. You might file married filing separately. You may file head of household or qualifying widower. Those are the statuses, and there are parameters around each status. You just can't choose your own status. If you're married, you're not filing single. So you got to make sure you understand this. Remote employees can claim the home office deduction. They cannot. If you are an employee, you are not taking the home office deduction. So that is absolutely a no-go. Your employer would have to reimburse you for the home office deduction. Gifts are counted as taxable income. That is another myth. If you are receiving a gift and it is below the gift amount that goes up every single year, it is not going to be considered taxable income. So you want to make sure you understand that if somebody is gifting you money. Number 7 on my list, and one of the biggest tax myths, and this one is incredible, that getting cryptocurrency or paid in cash is not taxable. Oh boy, it is taxable. If you sell crypto, you trade your crypto, you get paid in crypto, you put your crypto in a wallet over here and under the table over there, it's taxable. That is a big myth. And right now, IRS has a whole cryptocurrency department going after taxpayers who think their cryptocurrency is not taxable. It is taxable, people. Make sure you're reporting it on your tax return. Myth number 8. Oh my goodness. Filing an extension means you have longer to pay the taxes you owe. Not. You do not. Filing an extension just means you have longer to be stressed out to get your paperwork together to file the taxes you owe. It does not give you a longer period of time to pay the taxes you owe. Your taxes are all due on April 15th. I want to make sure you understand that because many of you are filing extensions because you don't want to pay the tax. And what you're really doing is giving yourself more penalties and more interest. File your taxes by April 15th. If you need to file an extension, pay your taxes by April 15th. And if you can't pay, it is really better for you to file by April 15th and set up a payment plan. Here's the thing, my friend. There's so many myths out there, but I am definitely here to bust those myths up because I want you to know the naked truth. IRS is not playing, and neither am I. That is why I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. because none of us can miss out on this wealth building information.